Welcome to Travel by Turtles. We are excited to share with you our passion for travel and adventure. Today, we're taking you on a journey to Iceland, one of the most beautiful and unique countries in the world. From the vibrant culture and nightlife of Reykjavik to the glaciers and volcanic landscapes of Vatnajökull National Park, we've got it all covered. We'll be exploring the top 10 places to visit in Iceland, highlighting the unique features and activities each destination has to offer. Whether you're a nature lover, hiker, spa goer, or just looking for a way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, Iceland has something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and join us as we take you on a tour of Iceland's most spectacular sights. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Let's begin. Number 1. Reykjavik. Iceland's capital and largest city is known for its vibrant culture and nightlife. Reykjavik is a city full of energy with a variety of bars, clubs, and restaurants to choose from. Visitors can enjoy a night out on the town, experiencing the lively atmosphere of the city. The city also offers a variety of cultural events, such as music festivals and theater performances, which take place all throughout the year. In addition, Reykjavik is home to many historical sites, including the Hallgrímskirkja, a large church with a tower offering panoramic views of the city, and the Settlement Exhibition, which tells the story of the city's history and how it grew to become the capital of Iceland. Taking a stroll around the city center to admire the colorful buildings and street art is also highly recommended. Number 2. Golden Circle. This popular tourist route includes the sites of Þingvellir National Park, the geysers of Jökulsárlón, and the waterfall of Gullfoss. The Golden Circle is a must-see for anyone visiting Iceland. The first stop on the route is Þingvellir National Park, where visitors can see the Rift Valley between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates, and also the historic site where the first Icelandic parliament was established. Next is the geysers of Jökulsárlón, where visitors can see the famous geyser Jökulsárlón, which erupts every few minutes, and explore the surrounding geothermal area. The last stop on the route is Gullfoss, which is one of Iceland's most impressive waterfalls. Guests can get close to the waterfall and feel the power of that water falling from a height of 32 meters. Number 3. Blue Lagoon. This geothermal spa is one of Iceland's most famous attractions, offering visitors the chance to relax in warm, mineral-rich waters. The Blue Lagoon is a unique experience, a natural geothermal spa in the middle of a lava field. The water is rich in minerals such as silica and sulfur, which are said to have healing properties. Visitors love to relax in the warm water, enjoy the view of the surrounding lava field, and even book treatments such as massages and mud masks. The Blue Lagoon also provides amenities like changing rooms, showers, and a restaurant on site, making it a perfect way to spend the day relaxing in Iceland. Number 4. Jökulsárlón. This glacial lagoon is absolutely stunning as it's home to many large chunks of ice that have broken off the nearby Breiðamerkurjökull glacier. Those who come for a visit can take a boat tour on the lake and get way up close to these ice chunks, some of which are several meters wide. The lake also boasts a variety of Arctic wildlife such as seals and seabirds, making it an ideal spot for wildlife watching. The surrounding area is also worth exploring, with many hiking trails that offer views of the glacier and the lake. Number 5. Vatnajökull National Park. This large national park is the place to be for those who want to see picturesque glaciers, including the largest glacier in Europe, Vatnajökull. Vatnajökull National Park is a true wilderness and a must-see for nature lovers. Visitors can take a guided tour on the glacier and explore the ice caves, crevices, and the stunning landscape there within. This location also encourages travelers to explore a variety of hiking trails, from easy nature walks to challenging mountain hikes, which provide an opportunity to explore the park's diverse landscapes. The park is also home to many wildlife species, such as reindeer, Arctic foxes, and golden eagles, making it a great destination for unique wildlife watching. Number 6. Seljalandsfoss. This beautiful and powerful waterfall is one of Iceland's most famous, with a height of 60 meters. What makes this water feature unique is the fact that visitors can walk behind it. allowing them to experience the waterfall from a different angle and feel the mist on their face. The surrounding area is also worth exploring, with many hiking trails that provide unique views of the waterfall and the nearby glaciers. Visitors can also take a short hike to the nearby Blue Lagoon waterfall, which is hidden behind a cave for a truly unforgettable experience. Number 7. Skaftafell National Park. This national park is a nature lover's paradise, with a variety of hiking trails that offer views of glaciers, waterfalls, and mountains. The most popular trail in the park is the one that leads to Seljalandsfoss waterfall, which is surrounded by black basalt columns, giving it a unique and striking appearance. As park goers explore by means of a variety of other hiking trails, which range from easy to challenging, they will without a doubt marvel at the diverse landscapes. Those who choose to come to this park can also look forward to wildlife watching, as both Arctic foxes and reindeer are known to make appearances. Number 8. The Westfjords. This region is one of the most remote yet most beautiful places in Iceland, and is known for its rugged beauty and wildlife, including the puffin bird. Visitors can take a day to visit the many fjords that make up the region, each with its own unique character and landscapes, which are sprinkled with various levels of hiking trails for adventurers to explore. If you want to see those puffins, they can be seen in large numbers along the coast during the summer months. If you're visiting and you keep a lookout, you could also spot seals, whales, and many other marine animals. Number 9. Myvatn. This lake and the surrounding areas are quite unique and fascinating and are known for their geothermal activity and unique geological formations. The area hosts a variety of volcanic landscapes, including craters, hot springs, and fumaroles. Why not take a day to take the easy hike to the nearby volcano, Jökulsárlón, which offers great views of the surrounding area. Visitors can also explore the Myvatn nature baths, a geothermal spa that encourages relaxation and a long soak in the warm water while enjoying the view of the volcanic landscape. Number 10. Reykjanes Peninsula. Iceland is by no means short on stunning volcanic landscapes and hot springs, and this area famously presents these features in a unique way. The hot springs in particular, which can be found throughout the peninsula, are worth the trip as they are both easily accessible and unbelievably relaxing. After a long soak, guests can explore the many volcanic craters, geysers, and fumaroles that make up the area. The Blue Lagoon is also located in Reykjanes, making this a must-visit destination for any traveler to Iceland. We hope you enjoyed our tour of Iceland's top 10 places to visit. From the vibrant culture and nightlife of Reykjavik to the glaciers and volcanic landscapes of Vatnajökull National Park, Iceland is truly a unique and beautiful country. We know that features like those that Iceland possess would inspire anyone to start planning for their own journey to see these majestic wonderlands, and we hope you will do just that. Go ahead and leave a comment below and let us know which destination you're most excited to visit. We'll see you on our next adventure, and feel free to take a look at our wide variety of other travel videos in the meantime. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.